I would like to hear from a student who graduated this program. They felt like they were over-prepared for what they experienced out in the real world, and that they really got a better education than what they hoped for. The COCC Massage Therapy Program has 2 starts per year, a fall program and a spring program, both day and evening. A student coming to COCC could complete the certificate and license in 4 terms. We are also the only massage school in Oregon to offer an associate's degree in massage therapy. People can complete that in the time frame of about 2 years. We are a nationally accredited program and have been since 2015.
Also known as bicipital groove, because what runs through there? Good, the biceps tendon, good.
People like to come to COCC because they have flexibility in a schedule. They can be part of something bigger when they come onto our campus. They're a part of a college rather than being just a part of a program. They like the affordability, the diversity that they get in our program with the instructors that we have. We have a staff of 12 people, all who are currently working in the field. Between all of us, there's over 75 years experience.
My mission as an instructor is to help develop our students into successful LMTs in the community and just really help them find their path and see where their career can take them. We help our students prepare for this profession by coming at it from all angles, developing different areas from science and anatomy to hands-on practice, massage techniques, and even focusing on ethics and professional practices, as well as self-care, so that the students themselves know that that's very important to be successful and stay successful and have longevity in this career.
I love the staff at the massage therapy program because they are always for you, and especially I'm a foreigner, and whenever I was lost, so they just jump in and help me, and so that was huge to me.
The 3 things that I'm very passionate about are how the human body works, lifelong learning, and also health and wellness. I think these things are very important for these students to learn as well, and so I try to pass on some of this passion and enthusiasm. Once the students graduate, there's a lot of opportunity for massage therapists. Some of those may include rehabilitation centers, which can include chiropractors or physical therapists. Some of those may be hospital-based settings where they can work on a variety of different types of clients. And some of those may be more the traditional setting, which are more spa and wellness type facilities.
The 3 things I'm passionate about and try to convey to our students is the importance of self-awareness, a strong work ethic, and maintaining balance between the playful side and the work side and what's important to us in our lives.
3 things I really liked about this program. 1, very well organized curriculum. 2, amazing instructors. And 3, you're gonna have lots of fun.
One of the things that students love about our program is that we are passionate, we are dedicated to their success, and we try to give them a better education than what we got when we were students. So we really go over and above to try to prepare them for real-world experiences.
COCC のマッサージプログラムがあったので、私の第2の人生が大きく開けました。